welcome to the Heritage Pod. I am Pragya and today we have with us Professor Rajesh Shinde. Last night I was watching a dance film. I had many questions, so I have written them down, hope you don't mind. So I would like to begin with that when I dance, I feel in a different way. But how does it be portrayed through screen?
When you're performing on a stage, then it's a very different feeling. And when you are shooting for a camera, then it's shot in a different way. You are emphasizing on different body movements or emotions that can be only done through camera. And that's why you feel powerful. The camera does it, and because of the camera, it feels powerful.
Okay, so because of the camera angles, it makes a difference.
Not just camera angles, there is something called shot. Shot is, the basic unit of filmmaking.
Okay.
So like the words, with words you make sentences, you make essays, the poetry, everything depends on what word you are using. The same way here we have shot. So different shots actually depict different emotions, energy, and there is a lot of different ways of telling stories, and it happens through shots.
So I'm sure there are different shots, like not only a particular way.
You're a dancer, right? So basically when you are performing on stage, it's a different feeling. What actually your audience get is like somebody is performing, dancing at far distance, at particular distance, and then your audience just get to see one part of his performance. Audience, he doesn't get to see what he feels when you are actually feeling stressed, or you are under tremendous pressure, or you are tensed, or you are exhausted, or you are very happy, there is a smile. So that kind of thing you get to see in close-ups. So in the stage that doesn't happen, but in film that happens. In medium shots, what happens is like the way you see the gestures, the body movements, and the feeling. Altogether, you see everything, west above. Medium shot is bigger than the magnification is bigger than the close-up. And it's like, when you are meeting your friend, your family members, you are at this distance, right? And then it's the most popular shot in every film or web series or videos, because that's how we, see people. And then comes, the long shot. Long shot is basically what happens there is you are establishing a person in that location. So you get to see geography, you get to see the environment where he or she is standing or acting, that action is happening. So that happens in long shot. So now there are 3 different shots and how they tell you different stories.
Yeah, so close up for emotions, and then we have mid shots for the upper body.
Yeah.
And we end with, for a wide shot, we go for the full body movement or however.
And the geography of the scene, where we see that space, location, and all that actually is depicted in the long shot. In a film, when you see a really long shot of a village, then you understand, so this story is happening in that village. So all that actually comes in the magnification, the shot sizes. Then, have you heard of OTS?
Yes.
What is it?
It's over the shoulder shot.
Do you know what it is?
It's taken usually from the behind the person, like from the perspective, to show how we are seeing the character which we want to capture.
Okay. Do you know why we do that?
No.
These kind of shots. This is also one kind of a shot, but it shows the connection. It shows the relationship with the other character or other actor in that scene.
Okay, that's crazy, because I always thought that dance movements, it's all about how we feel, but it really matters how the camera captures it as well.
Exactly, it's more than movement. Let's say if you shoot a dance with a long shot from really far distance. So what's happening is somebody is dancing on the stage and you're shooting continuously in that magnification. So then, do you feel connected? No. Why don't you feel connected? Because it's just like you feel like, oh, there is at distance somebody is dancing. But you are not getting what that dancer is feeling. You will only get that feeling when you are shooting with the close-up.
Yes. So it's not only about the movement, but also a storytelling is happening through the dance, and how the photographer, the cameraman captures it.
Exactly. We have just touched the alphabets of filmmaking. So there is a lot more. There are angles, there are movements, there are colors, there are costume, mise-en-scène, lot many things. If you come to classes, then definitely you will get to know all about that.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful explanation.
Thank
For
you.
more such videos, keep watching the Heritage Pod. Thank you.